Port Royal, Jamaica. Next, we head to Port Royal in Jamaica. Once dubbed the wickedest city on Earth, Port Royal is one of history's most infamous underwater cities. Located at the mouth of Kingston Harbor, this bustling 17th century port was a hub for pirates, merchants, and sailors. It was a city of wealth and vice, home to taverns, brothels, and a thriving black market fueled by piracy. But in 1692, a massive earthquake and tsunami struck, causing much of the city to sink into the sea, burying thousands of lives and a treasure trove of history beneath the waters. The disaster that submerged Port Royal was swift and devastating. In mere minutes, entire streets, buildings, and ships were swept into the ocean, with about two-thirds of the city disappearing beneath the waves. This catastrophe preserved the city uniquely, making it an invaluable archaeological site. Today, the ruins of Port Royal lie at the bottom of the Caribbean Sea, frozen in time. Archaeologists have discovered homes, streets, and personal items like pottery and bottles, all perfectly preserved due to the suddenness of the submersion. Exploring the sunken remains of Port Royal reveals a city that thrived on excess and lawlessness. As a pirate haven, it was notorious for debauchery, with infamous pirates like Henry Morgan making it their base. The underwater ruins provide valuable insights into the maritime culture of the time, with shipwrecks, anchors, and cargo still scattered across the seafloor. These relics tell the story of a bustling port where wealth flowed as freely as rum, and danger and adventure were always nearby. For divers and historians alike, Port Royal is a captivating underwater archaeological site. The warm Caribbean waters offer excellent visibility, allowing divers to explore the sunken city's remains. Large sections, including streets and buildings, are still intact, and you can swim through what were once taverns and homes. Even above water, Port Royal retains much of its historical charm, with colonial-era buildings giving visitors a taste of life before the disaster. Port Royal's legacy is one of intrigue and caution. Its sudden destruction serves as a reminder of the power of natural disasters and how quickly fortunes can change. Today, it's not just a site for historical exploration, but also a symbol of the fragile balance between human ambition and nature. For those interested in the golden age of piracy, Port Royal remains a legendary destination both above and below the waves.